Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your Netbank account. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. In the search bar, just type Netbank and just hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official website www.combank.com.au. Just click over here. This is the original website of Netbank. Just click on log on to Netbank. On the screen, you can see the logon form. Now, to log in your account, just click your client number over here. Similarly, password over here. Just click on remember client number for further use and just hit on login button. Then you will be able to log into your Netbank account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on I have forgotten my login and detail. You will be able to recover your password. This much for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.